Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely terrific Triumph Tiger 1050. Here we have a Triumph Tiger 1050 ABS. This is a 2013 bike on a 13 plate with just 16,365 miles, 4 owners from new and a full service history, having been recently serviced at 16,364 miles in August of 2024. This bike's in excellent condition, certainly for year and mileage. Comes in the crystal white paint scheme, which looks absolutely superb. There is a slight mark on the right hand handguard, but that is what it's for. Nothing on the bar end, nothing on the mirror, and likewise nothing on the engine bar to suggest that the bike's been over. Probably a bit of garage rash, I'm sure. So the side of the fairing there, that's all good. All the bodywork there, excellent condition. And the engine, likewise, no sign of any damage there and no corrosion either. No corrosion anywhere on this bike. It's in really nice condition, really well looked after. You've got the Arrow exhaust there. There is a set of colour-coded panniers as well for this bike. I've left them off so you can see the Arrow exhaust. That is a genuine Triumph accessory, the Arrow exhaust, by the way. If you want to have a look at the panniers in more detail, please go to motorcyclesuk.co.uk where you'll find many high-resolution images, including pictures of the panniers. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that one there, as you can see in the rear wheel. No signs of any damage there either. Swing arm, all good. Of course, this is the 1050 ABS, not the Sport, so you don't get the single-sided swing arm, but nonetheless, it's in very nice condition. There's a centre stand fitted as well, and a Kappa Top-box also, so loads of luggage capacity on this bike if you want to go touring. So the seat there, no rips or tears, it's all in excellent condition. There's heated grips fitted to this one as well, and an MRA Vario screen. The front of the bike's in great condition, no stone chips in the headlamps or the front of the bike at all. The paint is actually metallic, hence the crystal white name. The R&G rad guard there as well, just keeping the radiator nice and safe, and your forks all in excellent condition. And the front wheel, again, also in excellent condition, and the front tyre, loads of life left in that one there. Front mud guard, all good. The left-hand side of the bike, very much like the right, in excellent condition. No marks on the handguard or bar end or mirror on this side. All your bodywork here, again, in excellent condition as well. And the engine bars, likewise. Front forks again on this side, all good, and the front wheel. Of course, it's got anti-lock brakes on the Tiger 1050. All your foot pegs and the engine in excellent condition there. Chaining sprockets look really nice and well cared for there, and the rear wheel in good condition as well. There's an Optimate charging lead, just to show you that engine again, absolutely spotless. As I said, no rips or tears in the seat. The petrol tank's in great condition as well. There's a ring there for a tank bag, although we don't have the bag. And your dials are a mixture of analog and digital. So if you are looking for a great value touring motorcycle with plenty of carrying capacity, look no further than this stunning Triumph Tiger 1050. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Tiger, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.